Hi, today we'll be compiling and uploading Arduino sketches to ANAVI Miracle Controller. ANAVI Miracle Controller is an ESP8266 powered open source Wi-Fi development board to control two addressable 5V or 12V LED strips like NeoPixels WS2812B or WS2811. A mandatory feature for any development board like ANAVI Miracle Controller is the opportunity to change the software easily. In this short video tutorial, you'll learn how to upload firmware to it through Arduino IDE. The source code for the default firmware of ANAVI Miracle Controller is available as an Arduino sketch at GitHub. Please clone it on your computer or download it as a zip archive. A link is available in the description of the video. The required hardware includes ANAVI Miracle Controller, USB to UART debug cable, appropriate power supply, and a personal computer. Please set the jumper on ANAVI Miracle Controller according to the voltage of the power supply. Of course, an addressable LED strip is also required. Optionally, a mini OLED display and other peripherals can be attached. Connect ground of the USB to UART cable to ground of ANAVI Miracle Controller. Connect RX of ANAVI Miracle Controller to TX of the USB to UART cable. After that, connect TX of ANAVI Miracle Controller to RX of the USB to UART cable. Plug the USB cable in your computer. Depending on the operating system on your personal computer, you might need to install additional drivers. It should work out of the box on GNU Linux distributions. As you can see, I'm using it on Ubuntu. Download and install Arduino IDE on your computer. It is a free and open source software available for Microsoft Windows, macOS, and GNU Linux distributions. Launch Arduino IDE and load the appropriate Arduino sketch for ANAVI Miracle Controller. ANAVI Miracle Controller is powered by ESP8266 and there are a few configurations that have to be applied in Arduino IDE. Go to File, Preferences, select Settings, and in the field Additional Board Manager's URLs, add the URL to the JSON file for ESP8266. Have a look at the exact address in the description of the video. After that, click OK. From Arduino IDE, select Tools, Generic ESP8266 Module. Set the flash size to 4 MB, 1 MB SPIFFS. The upload speed is 115200. Adjust the exact port of the USB to serial debug cable connected to your computer. Select Tools, Manage Libraries. The Arduino Library Manager will appear on the screen. Install all required libraries and their exact versions. Over time, with the development of the software, new libraries might be added to the default firmware for ANAVI Miracle Controller. Please refer to the README file to get up-to-date list of all libraries and versions that must be installed. In the upper corner of Arduino IDE, click Verify/Compile button. If there are any errors, please double-check that you have installed all required libraries and their exact versions. If the source code compiles successfully, please proceed to the next step for flashing the firmware. In Arduino IDE, click Upload. Press and hold the Reset button on ANAVI Miracle Controller. Without releasing the Reset button, plug the power supply. Please do not release the Reset button until the upload has been done. I repeat, please do not release the Reset button until you see in Arduino IDE that the upload is 100%. ANAVI Miracle Controller can operate at 5 or 12 volts, depending on the LED strip. Please select an appropriate power supply according to the LED strip that you are using. Also, it is mandatory to set the jumper on ANAVI Miracle Controller to match the voltage of the power supply. After successfully flashing the firmware, you can launch Serial Monitor in Arduino IDE. There you see the output from the software running on ANAVI Miracle Controller. You can use the same approach for uploading your custom firmware and Arduino sketches to ANAVI Miracle Controller. Thank you very much for your attention. For more information, please have a look at the links available at the description of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for new episodes.